They defend our borders. They protect our freedom. They are the true heroes of our nation, the Indian Army. At ACE Web Academy, we are honored to train these brave warriors in cutting-edge technology, equipping them with the tools to shape the future. With deep respect and commitment, our expert trainers provided advanced technology training at the prestigious MCEME campus, Hyderabad, one of the finest military institutions in India. Node.js, building scalable applications. Python, powering automation and AI artificial intelligence. The future of smart decision-making. Machine learning, enabling predictive intelligence. These technologies are revolutionizing industries worldwide, and now they are empowering our nation's defenders. At ACE Web Academy, we believe in more than just teaching technology. We believe in shaping tomorrow's leaders. To the brave hearts of the Indian Army, we salute your dedication, your sacrifice, and your unwavering service to the nation. We remain committed to building a tech-empowered future, one innovation at a time. Subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and training programs.